Hi friends, welcome to Fun Learning with Joshika. Today we are going to be learning how to make very delicious and yummy chocolates. It's very easy and simple to make, guys. Now we are going to be using the double boiler method. For this, take a container and fill half of it with water and place another container on top of it. Now I am oning the stove and we shall wait for a few minutes for it to get heated. In the meanwhile, I am pouring the milk solid to the powdered sugar. First, we have to add the butter. You can use normal butter, or if you have cocoa butter you can use that also. Mix it till it melts. Now the butter has melted very well. Now I am adding the milk powder and the powdered sugar. Now mix it very well, guys, and please make sure it doesn't get lumps or this recipe won't work. Now mix it really well. Now off the stove and add the cocoa powder and mix it very well. Now after mixing it very well, I am taking my mold and I am pouring the chocolate liquid into the mold. After pouring the liquid into the mold, we have to freeze it for 1 hour. And now your delicious yummy chocolates are ready, guys. Please don't forget to try this at your home. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.